everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to share the video with you that how we install the Craftsman 7x7 resin shed. And I also want to discuss with you some of the difficulties that we ran into during the installation. So the biggest problem is that the wall panel did not snap to the floor as they're supposed to, and this led to a flimsy structure and the door will not line up when we close it. So we did some adjustment. We screwed down the floor and the wall panel to the wood frame on the base, and you will see that later in the video. And we also used 2x4 to make a reinforcement frame from inside, as well as build a shelf for the extra storage room. Other than that, it's a pretty straightforward installation, and it's pretty easy, and you just snap them all the pieces together. And hope you enjoy this video, and let me know if you have any questions. And let's get to work. Alright, we are finished. Let's take a look how it's inside. The wood frame are reinforced all the wall. And the door is closed and open perfectly. And that's it. Thank you for watching.